And since today tourism is kind of playing this card that it would be an ideal place where mankind and the creature or nature could live together in harmony. The whole islands would easily could live on green energy and sustainable energy, because there's a lot of sun, there's a lot of wind, there's volcanism, and you have the big waves from the sea. So a couple of weeks ago, the island of Hierro declared themselves energy independent by using windmills to create energy and to use the windmills to take water out of the Atlantic and pump it into a huge volcano and use it like a battery. When there's no wind and they need more energy, they let the water run down again, and so they produce their energy. And exactly in the moment when the island of Hierro declared themselves energy independent, the central government in Madrid gave green light for oil drilling in front of the Canary Islands.
Estos últimos meses han sido de grandes luchas.
Within the last month, a big fight has started, because Repsol, the oil company, made an agreement with the Ministry of Industry and Energy. The Supreme Court gave its green light for. The population feels helpless in the struggle because of the political pressure and repression which is built around this exploitation.
Generada alrededor de esta explotación.
There is a very specific situation. It's very, very deep oil drilling in deep water. I think never before they drilled in such deep waters. And the other thing is this area here is a volcanic area and there are almost no experiences. How would the volcanism react to oil drilling in this area? One of the biggest problems is the islands live more or less to big parts on tourism industry. And if there would be an oil spill and the beaches would be kind of polluted, then this whole income by tourist industry will get lost, which immediately brought a massive resistance out of the population against the oil exploitation, and also conflicts between the regional government in the Canary Islands and the central government in Madrid, and also in between the tourism industry and the oil industry. And our documentary film project is about this society on a crossroad into the future.
Personally, I think that we have only a chance to succeed if we get support by Greenpeace and the German society. Dear friends, as a producer I do really care about this project from the bottom of my heart. We are here on Tenerife, but the oil drilling affects not only Tenerife but the Canary Islands as a whole. We want to follow how a decision is being made, which may be a strong significance for our planet in the future. If you want to see this movie, please support us, so we can realize a great project for the future of our Earth.